Hey guys, RoonPicker here from the lock picking video, and today I got another challenge lock for you. This one is NoS-482 by Nemo Griff, and looks like he made his out of a Schlage E kick cylinder. I haven't seen a Schlage E kick cylinder before, but we got the mummified key here. So let's get this in the vise and see if we can get this open today. Go in the vise. We're going to use top the keyway tension. Yep. And we'll use our SS Dev deep hook. This seems to be the hook lately for a lot of these challenge locks that I've noticed. And see if you guys see that. Zoom in. Whoop. Perfect. Alright, let's see if we can get this open this morning. It's currently 5 a.m. where I'm at right now. False set. Very deep false set. We lost our false set, but I think we might be on the right track. There we go. Some crunch on the back pin. And we got the open. Alrighty, let's get this out of the vise. Take the zoom feature off. Zoom out. There we go. Real quickly, yeah, okay, I didn't think so. I didn't check to see if there was any engraving on lock. There's nothing engraved on here. Let's go ahead and get this key and see what we're working with. Yeah, so more mountain bidding. You can see we got a lot of highs and lows. The pick felt not as intimidating as the key looks. There is a QR code on here, and it says shim me, so we will be shimming the lock. Key does work though. A little bit of snagging, but not preventing it from going left and right. So it looks like we got to take this off the back. Maybe. Come on. Maybe if I do it this way. No, it's just going to be difficult. Looks like it's almost there, though. There we go. Okay. Alright, the spring's staying in there. Let's get our shim ready. Okay, shim's in. Follower is out. Like butter. So I didn't think those pins 1 and 3 were no lifts, but apparently pins 1 and 3 are no lifts, or at least they're like extremely low lifts, like just you barely nudge it and it's good. Awesome pins though. Oops, that doesn't go there. Okay. It looks like he threaded 1, undercut 2, widened 3, undercut 4, and threaded 5. And he's got some T-pin channels on 2 and 4. So that tells me to believe, with those channels, it leads me to believe that there are either T-pins or pin-in-pins in the Bible. Okay. 1 spring. 2. Ooh, 2 looks awesome. Got a massive spring on 2. 3 is a standard. Come on. There we go. Oops. And there's... Okay, and looks like he threaded, no threading, no threading, no threading, threaded on 1, so threading on 1 and 6, or 1 and 5, sorry. Or is it 1 and 6? No, it's 1 and 5. Okay, let us get the camera and I'll show you what we're working with. So you can see we got those, I don't even know what to call them, they're like spear tip on 2 and 4, standard on 3, and the rest of them are just serrated, except for key pin 5 has like a T-pin top, and key pin 3 has like a spool top. And then on the core, you can see, hopefully, focus. So you can barely see it. You can see threading on 1 and 5, and then there's there we go. There's undercuts on 2 and 4 with those T-pin channels, and then on the Bible, threading. So that is NoS-482 by Nemo Griff. Hopefully you guys like this content. Like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye.